Mga kapatrol, patuloy ang paghahanda ni Kai Sotto para sa Olympic qualifying tournament at kumpirmado nang hindi na siya tutuloy sa US to attend the minicamps and workouts na maraming mga NBA teams naman ang nag-iimbita sa kanya. Pero sa lahat ng mga invites na gusto sana ni Kai na dadaluhan ay ang minicamp ng Los Angeles Lakers. At gustong-gusto ni Kai na makasama sina LeBron James at Anthony Davis, ang dalawang mga idolo ni Kai. Well, ang detalye niyan ay ang ating pag-uusapan in this video at panoorin hanggang sa dulo dahil baka isa ang comment niyo sa aming babasahin. Pero bago yan, ay meron muna tayong pag-giveaway.
Hey, hey, hey! Attention mga kapatrol! Get ready for an epic giveaway! Once Express Info hits 150k subscribers, one lucky winner will win the incredible Oppo Reno 11F 5G smartphone. Here's how to join. Step 1. Subscribe to Express Info right now. Step 2. Like this video. Then step 3. Comment anything good and positive about our idol Kai Sotto. Super easy. Just subscribe, like, and comment.
Kai Sotto has received an NBA minicamp invite from the Los Angeles Lakers, but he chose to prepare for the upcoming Olympic qualifying tournament for Gilas with his strength and conditioning coach for now. Kai wants to go to the US for the minicamps for the Los Angeles Lakers, but the focus of Kai for now is for the Latvia and Georgia games to hopefully impress the NBA teams and that they'll want Kai's services more than before. Well, both options are great for Kai. Ang importante lang sa ngayon ay magiging healthy siya dahil alam naman natin na sa last game ni Kai Sotto sa Yokohama B Corsairs ay nagkaroon ng isang minor knee injury ang ating idol na kung saan ito ang isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit ayaw nang isugal ng team ni Kai kahit na minor injury lamang. Ayaw nilang maulit muli ang nangyari last NBA Summer League na kung saan na-aggravate ang kanyang back injury. Playing safe ngayon ang kampo ni Kai. After all, kapag impressive ang kanyang performance sa Olympic qualifying tournament, ay ganun pa rin naman ang mangyayari. Ma-notice si Kai sa NBA, maimbitahan, at pipirman ng isang guaranteed NBA contract. Kai Sotto will receive more if he plays well in the Olympic qualifying tournament, and not just an invitation, but even more than that, if he showcases NBA-like moves against the NBA big men that he will face in the Olympic qualifying tournament, surely leaving the NBA scouts impressed and shocked. Kai got an invite for the Los Angeles Lakers to attend an NBA minicamp for the team, but Kai focused more for the upcoming Olympic qualifying tournament, and hopefully he will perform well for him to receive more than just an invitation. Kai Sotto is playing safe now, so he wants to get injured like last NBA Summer League. At eto na ang shoutout na hinihintay nyo mga kapatrol. At Alyori Pamplona, kayang-kaya mo yan, Kai. Sisikapin mong makapasok na sa NBA ngayong taon. Nasa likod mo lang ang maraming mga Pilipino. At RBR Tang, Olympic qualifying tournament is the main target for Kai to succeed. Once this challenge has been successfully overcome, NBA is a sure thing. At Willie De Leon, 5366, matagal na ka-follow kay Kai. Panahon na siguro makapasok siya sa NBA. Agresibo, bilis at lakas. Tips lang po. Shoutout at user ID 6QT4JV9R. Sana ngayon na pag nakapasok, pipilitin kong mapagawa yung TV ko para lagi kong makita laro ni Kai. Good luck, Kai! And at Dennis Topic 9909, kapag nakapasok at naglalaro na yang si Idol Kai, na-imagine ko talaga maraming mapapahiya at mabutatan yan. Masipag yan mang block. Saka now sila makakakita na sentro parang forward na sumasalaksak sa ring. At balitang NBA naman. Noong 2022, Si Coach Joe Mazzola, na 33-year-old pa lang, ay nasa kanyang ikatatlong season bilang assistant coach sa NBA nang huling makarating ang Boston Celtics sa NBA Finals. Nauwi ito sa isang nakakalungkot na pagkatalo laban sa Golden State Warriors. At 2 taon pagkatapos nito, si Coach Joe Mazzola ay merong golden opportunity upang baliktarin ang kapalaran ng Boston Celtics at maging ika-6 na rookie head coach na magwawagi ng isang NBA title. I had a good seat, great perspective in that. I think the biggest thing you learn is what goes into winning in the NBA Finals is the same as the last series before that, regular season, preseason, practice, training camp. It's the details, the execution, the ability to take your mindset and your body to the next level. At yan ang sinabi ni Coach Joe Mazzola nang tanungin tungkol sa kanilang kabiguan noong 2022. Maaring si Coach Joe Mazzola ang pinakabatang coach na nakarating sa NBA Finals sa edad na 35 years old mula nang ang Boston Celtics legend na si Bill Russell ay gawin ito noong 1969. Pero ngayon, humuhugot siya sa mga aral mula sa kanilang pagkatalo sa nakaraang finals. Ang Boston Celtics ay tila nasa tamang landas para itaas ang kanilang 18th banner noong 2022 na sana'y nagtulak sa kanila sa harap ng kanilang karibal na Los Angeles Lakers. Pero sinayang nila ang 2-1 na abante sa serye habang mas mahusay na naipatupad ng mas may karanasan na Golden State Warriors ang kanilang laro sa huli ng serye. At 2 taon pa lamang ang lumipas pero marami nang nagbago mula noon. We got a different team. We got a different coach too as well. We had Emi Udoka, but now we have Joe Mazzola. We had Marcus Smart, Rob Williams. Now we have Drew Holiday, Kristaps Porzingis. Different team, different coach, 2 years later, make a pretty big difference. Yan ang detalye na sabi ni Jaylen Brown sa kanilang kupunan na siyang nanalo ng Eastern Conference Finals Most Valuable Player Award. Ngunit si Joe Mazzola ay naroon noong 2022 kaya't hindi na siya bago sa pressure ng NBA Finals. Ang laro ngayon ay tungkol sa pagtutok sa mga detalye sa mga bagay na talagang mahalaga. Kung hindi mag-box out ang isang player, ay hindi ito mag-sprint pabalik sa depensa. Kung hindi alam kung sino talaga ang babantayan sa kalaban na team, at kung hindi alam ang spacing, at kung hindi naglalaro ng masigasig, talagang hindi mananalo. Focusing on the most simple things and the truth is you have to do those things. You have to do them at a high level. Obviously, the stakes are higher. That just means that the details are more important. Yan ang pahayag ni Coach Joe Mazzola. Ngunit hindi tulad noong 2022, hindi na si Joe Mazzola na sa anino ni Coach Udoka. He is finally coming into his own after his interim tag last season was removed, giving him the power to assemble his coaching staff.